welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You know you like that.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Math Talk with Mr. Faison, and I'm Mr. Faison, or Mr. Faison. As long as you know, today, we're going to be working on multiplying monomials. Now, if you don't remember about monomials, binomials, and trinomials, go check out that video. We talk about understanding polynomials, right? But for today, monomial is one term. Monomial means one term, all right? So we're going to be multiplying monomials. So if I look at this first problem, I see I have in parentheses 6x and in parentheses 2x squared. Now, we don't see a plus sign or a minus sign in between that. So with the parentheses touching each other like that, I understand that I'm going to be multiplying. So I'm going to be multiplying 6x times 2x squared. I'm going to teach this to y'all just like I teach my students, right? All you have to do is multiply the big numbers and add the x's, okay? What does that look like? 6 times 2, we all know is 12. All right? And I have to add the x's. So like I told y'all in other videos, if I don't see a number above this x, it's understood that it's a 1 right there. So it's only one x right here. If I look right here, it's a 2 above it. That's telling me it's 2 x's. So I'm just going to add. Right here I have 1, right there I have 2. If I add them together, I now have 3 x's. So, like I tell my students, multiply the big numbers and add the x's or add your variables, right? So, let's hop over to problem number 2. In parentheses, in the first parentheses, I have 7a squared, b to the third. In the second parentheses, I have a, c to the fourth. So, what I look is, I have 7 times this right here. What number is in front of this that I can't see? It's a 1. So I have 7 times 1. 7 times 1, we all know is 7. If I look between here and here, how many a's do I have? Right here, I have 2 a's. Right here, I only have 1 a. So I add them up. That's 3 a's. If I look right here, I have 3 b's. I have no b's right here. So I'm only going to have 3 b's. B to the third. If I look right here, I have no c's. But if I look over here, I have c to the fourth. I have 4 c's. I'm just going to have c to the fourth. So my answer is going to be 7a to the third, b to the third, c to the fourth. Oh, and I forgot to circle this one. 12x to the third. Boom. Now we're going to hop on over to problem number 3. Cool. We look at problem number 3. In parentheses, I have 12x to the third, y to the fourth, z to the sixth. My other parentheses, I have 3x to the seventh, y to the fifth, z to the fourth. All right. So what I'm looking at is I'm multiplying. I multiply the big numbers only. 12 times 3. 12 times 3 is 36. Now I want to look and see how many x's do I have in between these two. I have 3 right here and 7 right there. We add the x's. X to the 10th. Right here, I'm going to the y's. I have 4 y's right here, 5 y's right there. If I add them 2 up, y to the 9th, right? Now I'm going to my z's. I have 6 z's right here. I have 4 z's right there. If I add those up, I'm looking at 36x to the 10th, y to the 9th, z to the 10th. Hey, that's another episode of Math Talk with Mr. Faison, man. We just got finished multiplying monomials. I'm going to catch y'all next time.
God's plan. God's plan.